Let's see. Are we about to miss the exit for the airport? Meg squinted at a sign. No, there we. No. You know
this way. What is this way?
Believe. Yeah, that's believe.
I'm mad at this book, man.
Yes.
This is so retarded.
You know that unpopular girl? We are going to get that Star Wars club. We're getting the Star Wars club today. I don't care what nobody says. Because they are like big boys. The big boys. They're bigger than him.
They got bigger spine. They got go big. They can go like this.
One named Jordan Elliott. He gonna beat her up. He gonna beat her up.
Another is Brandon, whatever his name is. He is a bad boy.
And she has a friend named Katie. She said that they're gonna get Katie beat us up. So we're gonna beat her up. We're gonna beat her up too. Yeah. And Jordan gonna help me, and Katie not gonna help me. Steven gonna help me, and Jordan gonna help me, and everybody gonna help me.
I'll get the science club on you too, man. They got big brains. They hit you with
a boot. Jordan gonna beat you up. Jordan gonna beat that pop girl up. And Katie. Well, we found our glasses. We found them. Yeah, we found them. Mommy grounded us because we got that B-. I found my glasses.
Yeah, me too.
So, we were just reading and it got a little bit irritating.
Yeah. It is boring, man. I tell you what, it's boring.
I know, but we good boys. We play smart.
Yeah. Trevor, you play smart too.
Yeah, you play smart too. Well, we were just going to tell you that we're going to get Star Wars Club to beat up that girl and her friend named Katie Kushner. And that pop girl name, Erin Mattingly. She's an idiot. She's idiot.
Yeah.
I'm going to beat her up.
It's called Erin Mattingly, man.
Yeah, she mean me.
My name's Mercedes, man.
Yeah, let's go find her and beat her up right now.
Why, man?
Trevor, Steven, where are you? Your mom wants you.
We have you, boo-hoo.
Where'd she go? I'm gonna beat her up, 'cause she's bad girl.
There you are. Your mom wants you.
Trevor.
Okay, well that's fine.